Welcome back. Your blood donation could save a life at Gunderson Health System. Officials there say the hospital's blood supply is running low as winter approaches, a typical seasonal trend that concerns medical staff. As a level 2 trauma center, Gunderson only has 3 days worth of blood on hand. Trauma surgeons say donating is safe and simple, with one donation potentially saving multiple lives.
The benefits are obviously for the community as a whole. And on the individual level, looking at it is that you may be contributing to saving someone's life or improving their quality of life. In terms of the risk of donation, nowadays they're very, very low.
Gunderson's next blood drive is Wednesday from 10 to 3. Global health officials sounding the alarm about the surge of a highly contagious yet preventable disease, measles. According to the CDC and the World Health Organization, global cases of measles surged more than 20% last year. Over 107,000 people died. Most were young children. Health officials point to falling vaccination levels during and after the COVID-19 pandemic. If you've ever had food poisoning, you know it is not a fun experience. About 1 in 6 Americans contract foodborne diseases every year. Nancy Chen joined forces with a food safety expert. They poked around in 3 families' kitchens to highlight ways to keep them safe.
Across the country, people have been getting sick from their food. A CBS News analysis found foodborne illnesses have increased 42% since 2013 in regions the CDC monitors. While we can't always control what happens outside our home, inside, we can take preventative measures to avoid foodborne illnesses. It starts in the kitchen.
We gathered a group of homeowners who were willing to let us in to talk safety. What they don't know is we'll be looking at all the nooks and crannies of their kitchens with Donnie Yu, a food safety expert, an instructor with Premier Food Safety.
We're at the home of Katie and Joe Rissian in New Jersey. In the fridge, he finds his first offense, uncovered food.
Right here, you have some apples. They're just exposed. Oh no, what is this? Come on.
All this can cause bacteria to grow and make you sick.
Between
he also recommends color coding chopping boards to prevent cross-contamination.
The yellow cutting board is to chop your raw chicken. And then the red is for your red meats. And then the green one is pretty much for your veggies.
Off to our next home. Meet Harold and Yal Reyes. You notices the overpacked fridge and freezer.
It's a bit difficult to close your freezer.
That can cause poor circulation or cold air to leak. Refrigerators should be 40 degrees or cooler, and freezers 0. The biggest violation, how they stored raw chicken, which can have salmonella.
Chicken contains these raw juices, which can potentially drip.
Things went downhill at the home of Carrie and John Barrett.
This expired earlier in the year, so this has to be discarded.
He warns not to neglect the oven hood.
As the oil gets so heavy, it can start dripping into your food, and that's going to cause contamination.
Would you eat in this kitchen?
No.
I'm sorry, guys.
You're not invited anyway.
I bet he's not invited most places. When you're cooking, food safety experts say it's critical to make sure you cook foods to the right internal temperatures. A meat thermometer can help with that.